This recipe will guarantee to warm your soul. It's lingering spice and deep saltiness, perfect for a winter day. It's Korean spicy chicken soup. Hey guys, Jeremy here from School of Wok, London's premier Asian cookery school. Welcome back to Wok Wednesdays. This one is really warming but simple to make, and it's a Korean spicy chicken soup. The first thing I'm going to do is poach my chicken breast because I want to shred it, and you kind of get rid of any sort of solid fatty impurities. Not that there is much in chicken breast, but any sort of scum that comes off the bottom keeps it nice and clean. And then I'm going to make up the base of this soup. I've got some chicken stock here. This is really very easy, but it'll warm your toes up. It'll warm you from the belly up, right? Garlic and spring onion. Everything just sort of rough here, rough and ready. I'm actually going to keep the garlic in its skin, and I quite like to sort of almost make a garlic and spring onion oil along with the chili, the Korean chili flake here, the gochugaru. I'll make that up before I then season and get the chicken stock in. Just give your garlic a light bash. As long as the garlic's nice and clean, the skin will add flavour to the stock. The onion I like quite chunky as well, sort of half-centimetre slices. And then one egg, which we'll drop into the soup once it's all done. Kind of like a sort of Chinese sweet corn soup. We'll just sort of drizzle it in at the end. So with this Korean chili flake, I'm going to use half of it to flavour the soup, and then another half which I'll make a quick chili garlic oil at the end. So the chicken's had about 15 minutes. Should be nice and cooked through, as you can see, just right there. You can either just sort of get a fork and just shred it, or you can cut it however you want, really. It will warm through again, of course, in the soup once you've made the soup. Really, really healthy dish, this. Once you've poached your chicken and you prepped your veg, everything else is ready, and it's just about sort of getting a very quick and flavourful soup together. Perfect for, you know, working from home one day and you just sort of want something quick and easy. I've got a mixture of sesame oil and vegetable oil, about a tablespoon of both. And this is just to really create my chili garlic sort of seasoning oil. Any residual oil I use to fry my base flavours, the garlic, the spring onion, your onions. I want this to get nice and hot first, and I've got some finely chopped garlic here. I'm going to take half of this gochugaru, and once this is smoking hot, I'm going to switch it off and just allow it to cool down for about 10 to 20 seconds before I pour it over that, just to make sure that the chili flakes don't burn. And at this point, I'm going to pour that over the top. So you get a nice gentle sizzle. Whilst it's bubbling away, light soy sauce. Give that a stir. And that's my seasoning oil for my soup. Back on the heat with the blend of sesame oil and vegetable oil, but just the residual oil that's in the wok. And on a medium heat, I'm going to get my garlic and spring onion in first. I've got some coriander leaves that I'm going to use to garnish later, but I'm going to just take the stalks and throw them in with the spring onion as well, because it always adds a bit of flavour. And then once your garlic and your spring onion starts to brown a little, then your onions can go in. I don't need these onions to kind of brown too much, which is why I left them till now. The onions are just softening around the edges, but not brown. So I'm just gonna make a little gap there, add a little bit more oil to the base, and then the rest of the gochugaru, the chili flakes, are gonna go into that. Very quickly bring your onions over the top, and then pour the chicken stock over that and bring it to a boil. Once the stock comes up to boil, you see this lovely sort of red color of the chili flakes that are already in there. You want to get all that chicken into the soup. A pinch of salt. Bring that back up to boil. Let it simmer away on a medium to high heat for about 20 minutes. So after about 15 to 20 minutes, you get more flavor coming out of all the chicken and all the base ingredients. I quite like to add some of this lovely oil into the soup. Keep some for sort of individual seasoning if you wish. And the last thing I'm going to add before I serve up is the egg. What you want to do is you want to switch the heat off, wait until it just stops bubbling, and then drizzle the egg in. You don't really have to move it around or anything like that. It'll kind of create its own wisps. After about 30 seconds, give it a little stir and you can serve up. And that's it. It really is as simple as that. Really lovely, fresh and healthy start to the year. Last drizzle of chili oil over the top, and that's got to be one of the quickest hearty soups you can make. Perfect for a cold day, and really hits the back of your throat in a nice way. If you like this recipe, you want to learn more, not just soups, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, ding, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time.